Yeah, welcome back to chapter 6 NCERT Mathematics 4 part 3. So before starting, quickly subscribe to my channel, click the bell icon and then click the like button and then click the share button. In the last session we have seen about the narration part of the junk seller who is famously called in India as Kabari Wali. Kiran was such a junk seller, so we have seen her narration and we have seen her progress in running the junk selling shop. So she started her journey from a small pakka house, and then they went to the kacha house with the TV and then some extra facilities, and she owned 9 rickshaws like that. And we have seen this also, how much she will be earning by how much she will be paying to the junk collectors from the nearby villages, okay, or nearby streets. Then today we will see how Kiran sells this junk, whatever the junk she has collected, like she kept that in small cottons, and then later she will be selling that. Okay, so how she will sell it cleverly, we will see that. So Kiran sells her junk to a big shop. She checks the prices on her mobile phone and sells only when she gets a good price. Only on the day when she gets a good price, she will be selling. So today she got she has gone to sell plastic, newspaper, iron and brass at Dinu's big shop. Dinu is another person who is having a big junk collector, okay, whose shop is bigger than Kiran shop. So Dinu weighs 32 kg iron, so there is 32 kg iron and then 4 kg brass and 152 kg newspaper and 63 kg plastic. This is what is the items Kiran is selling to Dinu's shop, and there the Dinu is weighing these different items: iron, brass, newspaper and etc. So this is the rate list on that day. The kind of junk and the price per kg is: newspaper cost 6 rupees on that day, iron cost 14 rupees, brass cost 180 rupees, plastic 12, and then waste paper is 4.50. Okay, so the rate of 1 kg plastic is 12. So the cost of 63 kg plastic will be, so it's obviously 12 into 63 we have to do, but you have to go back to your class 3. There you have learnt about the multiplication by the box method. Okay, you will be using box methods like 63 like out of 63, so 60 is the number which you can easily multiply, and the rest of the number you will keep it here in the units place, and this is tens place, 60 and 3. And similarly the other number what you are multiplying is 10 and 2, 12. Okay, so 60 into 10 600, 3 into 10 300, and then 60 into 2 120, and then 3 into 2 6. Okay, so later you will be adding all these values, this 600 and then 300 and then 120 and then 6 will be added to get the answer. This we already know from your previous class. And keep a note of this rate list. Okay, we will be moving slide by slide. So there you may get some requirement of what is the brass rate, what is the plastic rate, like that. So this is what I told you, 600 plus 120 plus 30 plus 6, it will become 756. Okay, and here there are some kind of guesses that 12 into 63 means 12 times 63, so 12 into 6 720, so the answer is more than 720, so but it is less than 800. Okay, can you tell why means? Because 3 here 12 into 6 is already over. How much is left? Only 3. 12 3 is 36. So 30 if you add to 720, it will be not more than 56. I mean, that is what is guessing that it is less than 800. So 600 plus 120 plus 30 plus 6, as I told, just add them and you will get the answer. So for 63 kg plastic, Dinu will give 756 rupees to Kiran. Kiran bought 1 kg plastic for 10 rupees but sold 1 kg plastic for 12 rupees. How much money she earned on selling 1 kg? So 10 rupees per kg she bought, and then she is selling at a price 12 rupees. So she is getting 2 rupees as a profit. And how much she will get it for total 63 kgs? So you have to add again, you have to multiply again 63 into 2. So 63 into 2, answer is 126. 3 2 is 6, 6 2 is 12, 126. Again you have to do the same box method. If you want, you can apply 63 and then 2 into 6 something 60 120 plus 2 into 3 6, like that also you can do in the using the box method, like how it is explained in the previous slide. So how much money will Dinu pay for 32 kg iron? So what is the iron rate? 14. Okay, so 32 into 14 will be the answer. So if you want, you can calculate with the help of that box method. 32 into 14, I will write down the direct answer here. It is 448. Okay, so rate is 32. You can guess directly. 4 2 is 8, 4 3 is 12. Okay, 128 already over, and 10 into 30, 32, 320. So 320 plus 4 2 is 8, 4 3 is 12. So like that also you can do 448. Okay, you can do in your own method, whichever that is comfortable to you. And Kiran buys 1 kg of iron for rupees 12 but sells at rupees 14. How much does she earn for 32 kg iron? So 32 kg into 2 rupees profit. Here also she is getting 2 rupees profit. So the value is 64, double of that 32. Okay, so 32 kg iron, she will be getting 64 as the profit. What will Dinu pay for 152 kg newspaper? Newspaper is 152 kg. The rate of 1 kg newspaper, here he mentioned clearly here itself, it is 6 rupees, not that chart. We should not depend upon, okay, in the chart also it is 6 rupees. So the cost of 152 kg newspaper is 6 into 152. Same box method you can do 152, 650, 312. Okay, so 600 plus 300 and 900 and 12. So the answer is more than 600. Is the answer less than 1000? How did you guess? Okay, 600 plus 300 and 12, that's all. So it cannot be more than 1000. Then he adds the number in the boxes. Okay, so 6 into 152, directly you can do 6 2 is 12. Okay, and then 1 carry, 6 5 is 30, 31, and then 3 6 1 is 6, 912. Directly also you can do like this: 6 plus 600 plus 300, 900 plus 12. Now we will move to the next one. In this first we have to look at this sheet here. Okay, this particular one first we have to look at. Then he adds the number, so he will be getting 912. So I bought 1 kg of newspaper for rupees 5 but sold it for rupees 6. how much profit she will be getting for per kg. It is 100. She sold 152 kg, so the total earnings will be 152. So for 152 newspaper, she will be getting 912 as from his calculations, and this is the profit she is getting. So how much money will Dinu pay for 4 kg brass? So brass rate is how much the brass rate? It is 180. Okay, so 180 into 4 you have to do here. So brass rate is 180 into 4. So first we have to guess the answer. Okay, so like how much it could be. 400 plus 320, 720 will be the answer. Okay, how did I guess is, first I took 100 and then multiplied 4 to that one, and then I took 80 and then multiplied 4 to that one. I am adding both of them. Okay, so the answer is 720. Right, so now these are the again other questions. Guess the answer and then calculate. 37 into 20, you take 20 here. 37 into 20, so around 600. So answer will be around 600. And for the rest of the other ones, okay, let us see. The answer is the guess is around 600. I said it is 666. It is correct only. Rest of the other things, it is 5 into 4 is 20, and then like 45 into 20, it will be 450 into 10. It will be 450 into 10. 445 into 10 will be 450 plus again 450, 900 into 4. Okay, that is around 1080, and this will be 69 into 52. It will be 70. For example, you take 70 here and then multiply it with 50, so it will be around 3500 something. Then next 77 into 55, this is also around 4000 something like that. So let us check the answers. So 666, 1080, 3500, 4200, like that you have to even guess and calculate the others. So how to do the guess and everything is use the box method, whatever that is explained in the previous slides. Now comes fill my diary. Kiran bought some junk from the junk collectors, right? She paid them 841. She sold the junk at Dinu's big shop, and Dinu gave her these notes and coins. So she got 600 rupees. There are 600 notes. Okay, you can see here 6 or 100 notes, and then 720 rupees notes. 7 2 is 140. You can see the 140 value here, 600 value here. 8 into 5, 40. Okay, this is 40, and then 4 coins of 1, so 4 rupees. 6 notes of 10, 60 rupees. 3 notes of 50, 150 rupees. So total all together it became 994. Okay, but minus the amount what she paid to the Dinu. Okay, so Dinu, for Dinu, how much she paid is 841. Okay, so but after calculating, then she got that the money earnings, it is reflecting here is 153. She purchased these items, all items whatever she purchased it at a lesser price, right? We have calculated what is the earnings on each and every item. Then after calculating the total amount she got, and after subtracting the money she paid, I mean the money whatever she paid to the junk collectors, then the total earnings are 153. So this is a demonstration showing that how did she maintain her diary. Okay, so Kiran wrote the record in her diary like this. Now we are supposed to do such an activity here. So later she paid 919 to the junk collectors. Okay, and Kiran bought some junk from the junk collectors. She paid them 841. Okay, she told the junk to Dino's big shop, and there Dino gave 994. So whatever she paid, she subtracted from the total. And here also you can see, later on another day, 18th March, she paid 919 to the junk collectors. When she told the junk, when she sold the junk, she got these notes. How many such kind of notes she is having? She is having 5 into 100. So 500 rupees. 100 rupees notes are how many? 5 into 100. So 5 into 100 is equal to 500. And then there is one note of 50. 1 into 50. So let us do 50. And then next, what is the next highest value? 20 is the highest value. You can see the clear pictures of the notes here. 9 into 20 rupees. How much it is? 180. 9 2 ja 18, right? 18 into 10. There are 18 10 rupee notes. So that will become 180. 28 coins of 5 rupees. 28 into 5. So this value will become how much? 140. Okay. So 500, 50, 180, 180 and 140. Total it is how much? 1050. Okay, or otherwise I will do it and I will show you all zeros. So we will get 0 here. So 5, 8 plus 8 16 plus 4 20, 25. Okay, so try to add the biggest numbers first. So I got 16 plus 4, it will round off the number 20, 25, and then 2 is the carry, 2 3 4 5, and there is one more 5, so 10, 1050. And how much she paid? Minus 919. And what are our earnings on the day? The total earnings are, you will get a carry, borrow from here, it will become 1. From 4 it will be subtracting 1 from the 4, so it is 3. And it is, I think, no, that's all. Yeah, let us once again check. 10 minus 9 1, 4 minus 1 3, and of course here we don't have a borrow, so it is 131. Okay, so 131 are the total earnings of Kiran by selling the junk to Dinu's shop on 18th March. Okay, so that's all about the junk seller. The total junk selling shop is, we have seen in detail the calculations and everything, and you can see there is a video, I kept it here. It is about enrollment of tuitions, so I will be playing this video. Just quickly watch through this in first few minutes, and then to know more about the offer, click any browser from your PC. I am using Chrome as a browser here, and then type the website address hnu7.com. This is my website. I think many of you know about it. And in this, go to tuitions, and there you can see this one particular offer. Tuitions are on your mind. Then enroll in HANU7 Academy and get a branded tablet. Okay, so it could be any brand of your choice. So I'm preferring, as of now, Lenovo. So how to register is the question. So far I have seen there are no registrations, even though these two forms are available in the website. So I am just telling you that how to fill this form. So click on this form, it will take you to the Google form, and there you have to make sure that the ID okay, so feel free to watch this video also. I will put the link in this description of this video, and this form link is also available since in 1 week in my last few videos. You can also directly click on that link it will take you to this Google form, fill the form, and then try to get tuitions and grab this offer. Okay, so see you soon in my class. Thank you.